Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install C++ with Microsoft, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft C++ download page. Click on the link to download Visual Studio. Select the Community Edition, as it is free for personal use. Once the installer is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to run it. In the Visual Studio installer, select the Desktop Development with C++ workload. You can also choose additional components based on your needs. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, as it may take a few minutes. Once installed, launch Visual Studio from your Start menu. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account or create a new one. After launching, you will see the Visual Studio Start page. Select Create a New Project. Choose C++ from the project types listed. Pick a template that suits your project, like Console App. Click Next to configure your project settings. Name your project and choose a location to save it. Click Create to set up the project. Once your project is open, you can start coding. Write your C++ code in the editor provided. When ready to run your program, click on the Local Windows Debugger button. The output will appear in the console window. If you encounter any issues, refer to the documentation available online. That's it. You've successfully installed C++ with Microsoft and created your first project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.